The food ventures of Soai are powered by our patrons. To become a patron, click the patron link in the description box. Thanks, patrons, for helping to write Soai.
Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we're always smiling. So today I'm super happy because today is intended for us to be a beach day. So we're going to be going to Labadi Beach today. Maybe we can check out some street food. However, we are, I guess, still checking out some form of street food. The street is definitely behind us here, and we're at this spot called Kebabs. So the Airbnb that we've been staying at, the owner told us about this spot, and let's face it, being here in Ghana for so long, there's gonna come to a point where you're gonna want some more familiar foods. And Jilly today chose this spot for us to go to, so we're gonna have some familiar foods. As soon as we got in there, it's like a very small and boutique kind of spot where, you know, honestly, it is the dream spot that I would want to own for myself. Nothing too big, can probably seat probably 3 or 4 couples, and on the inside probably do the same. Very small, but can get the job done. Anyway, when Jilly was inside, she said she wanted to have some
carrot cake.
Yeah, that's the first thing that she saw. Yeah, that's the first thing that she saw. She wanted to try some carrot cake. Did you find anything on the menu?
Well, this menu is not the updated menu that I saw on Instagram, so
okay.
I'm gonna ask her too.
You're gonna ask her?
I know what I want, but it's not on here.
Okay, so we can ask her that on Instagram. Just to show you guys what it's like here. I like the fact it has the little artificial lawn. It just makes it feel like a little small safe haven. And even though Ghana is quite hot, they have the shade over there, so it's quite good. And there are a couple other spots that are close by, like a little jollof spot I can see over there and such. So yeah, if the food is good, I will highly recommend it. But let's get to that part and I'll tell you guys more. So what's cool, they have this little buzzer here. You press the button, someone comes, and boom, she's here. All right.
Hi, I saw on Instagram you have an updated menu with like mashed potatoes, salmon.
Yeah, but it's not on the menu, so
So I can just tell you what I want. Okay.
Is there, so I have to just look on Instagram and I can find that menu?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna look on Instagram, find that menu, and order something from there. I am super excited about this place. So far, I went inside and the food smells so good inside. Alright, so the ice cream guy is here, and at the same time I got my popcorn caramel milkshake. I've never had a popcorn caramel milkshake before, so I'm gonna try it and I'll tell you guys what I think. It's okay. A little bit too sweet for me, but yeah. Alright guys, so got this meal and looks good. Looks really good. Full meal. There are some vegetables. Since I've been here, I won't lie, I haven't been eating like a lot of vegetables, but this seems like it's going to be a really balanced diet. I'll try some of that salmon. Yeah, this dish I definitely recommend stopping here. Seasoned very well. The potatoes it's simple but elegant, you know. Man, fluffy. It's really good. Oh, is this for the potatoes or for the vegetables? For the potatoes. So okay, I think we see a little problem. So just here, it's a little bit undercooked in the salmon. Just a little bit undercooked, so I'm gonna ask them to fix that. But the potatoes are good. Usually for fish, for some people, might not be a big issue because people do, what you call it, sushi. But yeah, we could take a little bit more cooking on that, so let's do that. All right, so both dishes were slightly underdone. Potatoes were perfect. The carrots, the vegetables were just amazing. But the salmon's a little bit underdone. Usually, I would say with food, it's better to be underdone than overdone because you can't save it. But they can just pop it into the oven for a little bit longer and get it completely done. If I were to compare that salmon, I think the one that we had at Skybar, that was to perfection. But I think this one is seasoned a lot nicer than the last one. So anyway, they're gonna go in there, have it fixed, and then we can get the chance to finish our meal. How was the food? I mean, the first start.
The carrots were good, the potatoes were really good, and it was well seasoned. You know, it's just for them to fix the salmon.
Oh yeah.
I can't wait for it to come back because I know it's gonna be fire.
Trust me.
Yeah, I'm hungry too, so.
Yeah, Julie just mentioned there's a lot of food they get. I know for a fact I'll definitely come back, you know, once they fix that salmon. Yeah, I went back there and the kitchen is fairly small, so yeah, I can see with them. But the whole concept of this place is pretty good. And this is not like a paid advertisement. You guys know the places that I go to, most times, if not all, I pay for them. So I try to give you guys the most honest review on every single thing. So yeah, can't wait for it to come back. And who knows, I might come back here again to have another meal because so far I can tell you like this place more than most.
I think it's the best place I've been to since I've been here. But I may be biased. So. Okay, sure.
Thank you. How do you do the fish? Is like in the oven?
Yeah.
Oven baked, okay. How is it?
I want it in a little more.
Huh?
I want it in a little bit more. Can you give it some more time, please? All right, up here so you can see it's still not.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah. Thank you.
This one is much bigger than the one we've been baking. That right there, sorry.
Okay, okay.
Please, Lord. Yeah? Oh, yeah.
It's okay now, right?
Thank you.
Is it possible for me to get like some ice and water?
Yeah.
Please, thank you. Yeah, I'm gonna try to figure out a way to stretch my little milkshake because it's kind of sweet. But yeah. Yeah. She was saying that because they usually get smaller salmons than these, it's like a bigger cut or something like that. So yeah, I guess they misinterpreted the cook time because the bigger the meat, the longer it's gonna take. Yeah, this is way better. Hey, thank you so much. Thank you.
Do you like fish? Do you like water? That's good. Okay, and ice.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. You know what, the potato sauce,
That's good.
it's really good. Man, I would say that was a fantastic meal, good portion size, tasted really good, barring you guys know, but apart from that, it was really, really good. I think before I go back home, I'll definitely stop here again, seeing that I know that Jilly can handle that particular type of food here. So yeah, Jilly's gonna order a carrot cake. What did you
Red
get?
velvet.
And a red velvet?
Yeah, they never had any black forest.
All right, hopefully I'll like the red velvet. And we're gonna get an Uber and head out of here. Oh, I forgot to mention, Jilly has her landlord bag. Show them your landlord bag. She has her landlord bag, which is, it's really cool. I got one. To be honest, I might put it up on the store. Reason being, it's a little bit too small for me. So the guy mentioned he's gonna make another one which is a bit bigger. They are custom made bags. Now the reason why I mentioned this bag and why I like it, it has African colors and African print on it, which basically matches with every single thing. So you see Jelly has on hot pink, right? Is that hot pink, right?
Yeah.
Hot pink. And yeah, it still matches with the bag nonetheless. So
Get Vim.
oh, get Vim, which means positive energy and vibe. Yeah, so check out the Soai store. Chance it. Probably no, I probably might give it away as a gift. So yeah, but either way, you guys can check out Landlord if you guys come to Ghana and get some nice Ghanaian apparel vibes. So quick correction, the menu that I had checked before was showing the 70 to 80 cedis. So the salmons are actually 170 cedis. Now based on the serving size, it still isn't bad. And of course it is salmon. We're not talking about a piece of chicken here. Salmon usually is a bit pricey. So yeah, and shout out to our boy Radcliffe for, you know, telling us about this place, because he actually even asked us now if we got the chance to try it out, and it's good. All right, so we have called our Uber. I'm just praying that waiting for the fish to be redone doesn't spoil the day for us, because we want to try to catch like a little sunset beach type vibe. It's been a minute since I've actually been to the beach and actually just chilled out, relaxed a little bit. So we're gonna do that, and yeah, we should have some time. Sunset here is about 6:15, so let's hope that we get to the Labadi Beach in just the nick of time. Guys, I'm gonna tell you, Jamaicans and Ghanaians are basically the same people. Let me tell you why. So you know back in Jamaica where you have like potholes, right? And what does the man them do? They would have like the pothole, they'd have the shovel and they would fill the pothole, and then while you're driving by they would basically fan you down, stop you and tell you, yo, can you give me some money for helping to fix the road? Them do the same thing here in Ghana, the same exact thing. Like not too long back, some guys had their shovel. They're showing the pothole that they fixed and they're asking for some contribution. It's, yo, same. Yo, you see, I come at them little place, you just have to be, or you can't say no, like, just serious. You can't come with it, how can I say, the soft thing, cause you don't know, everybody are gonna try to approach you. They're gonna say, yo, it's a tourist and things, so you have to come ready. Yeah, somebody just now was trying to tell us, say, yo, we need to go enter through a particle way. I'm like, yo, we can see the beach here. This has to be the way. You see me? So don't get yourself sidetracked or diverted. Go which part you know you want to go. You see me? Because everybody's gonna try to, you know, say, yeah, tourist this. But anyway, I'm sure they have some like some seats and stuff that they're more headed to. So
I'll show you my place. But when you walk on one,
okay.
let him finish it. But
Yeah, we can talk.
okay.
All
Let
right.
me come in.
Huh?
Then you tell them.
Yeah.
Tell the person that I'm a waitress here.
Okay, you're the waitress here?
Yeah.
All right.
Hello, I'm here.
All right, she's gonna
I'm
be
a
our
waitress
waitress.
at Labadi Beach. Labadi Beach.
Yeah.
When you have your free time, you can come to Labadi Beach and have fun. Okay?
Yeah. And who are they looking for? What's your name?
My name is Akosia at Doris Pub.
All right, cool. So, see, when you come to Labadi Beach, you want whole a vibe, she's here. All right. So, we're gonna follow her and go to the table that she's presenting and thing. So I guess this guy have some street food.
He wants to do kebab.
No, kebab. Yeah, so them have some kebabs and stuff out here.
We have kebab, we have lobsters, we have prawns.
You have lobster?
Yeah, we have seafood, we have lobsters, we have prawns, octopus, shrimps, red snapper, tilapia. You
Wow.
can have it with yam chips or plantain or jollof rice or potato chips. Anything that you want, we have here. We have kebabs.
Yeah.
Then we have the Nigerian dishes like jollof rice, Nigerian jollof rice. We have catfish. We have salmon with egusi, everything here.
Yo.
Yeah.
Yo, she ready?
So this is my place.
Right there?
Yeah. So do you want me to sit at the front or you want inside?
You want to be at the front, eh? Front? All
Yeah,
right.
then I'll bring the seat.
All right, we'll be right here.
No, that place not my place.
No,
Oh.
I'm not showing the flag.
The Jamaican flag, yeah. I want to think Jamaican flag. No, we're there with she. Yeah. So we were worried about the time. For us, the time is important because of lighting and video work or whatever the case is. But here is a 24-hour spot, yo. And we're gonna try to get a seat by the front because we're here for the sunset today. That's what I really want. And some street food. The kebab guy is there. I don't know how I might feel. Probably I might want to come to the beach in the morning. I don't know. You know, do like a morning beach flex, but yeah, vibes. Right in. Sitting. I love it.
Please come.
Yeah, thank you. Wow.
I'm giving you a native first of your bag. Or you want the color of your bag? See, you have it. See. Or you can have some. No.
Wow. Thank you.
So I come.
Yo, but not gonna lie, the customer service is up. Reason being, she was thinking of like Instagram and photos. She was trying to match Jilly with that, so that's really cool. All right, Jilly, where you on?
What you have for drink?
Yeah, what?
You have beer?
Yeah, we have beer. We have Heineken.
You have club beer?
You have club beer?
Yeah. We
Yeah.
have wine, sweet and dry.
No, I have club beer. I have a beer.
Can we get 2 club beers? The big ones, like the tall one.
So, like, I'll put 4 in the bucket with ice, then I'll come and place it here.
Okay. Awesome. All right,
Just bring the menu. You like to have it?
we just ate, but you can bring the menu. Okay. Yo, customer services. Oh man, we just
Yeah,
ate.
maybe later.
Maybe later, yeah. For now, the beers, for sure.
Yeah.
All right. That's the seat
Somebody bring me buy something for them.
for those.
Yeah.
I can do necklace for you right now.
Let me show it. No, let me show you. How much are they?
Whoa, cool. Beach here is clearly very rough, so I wouldn't really advise going too far out into it, but it's a whole vibe. It's like, you know, like a little mini beach party kind of district, which, yeah, kind of the vibe. But what a cowl! Yo, the sun here feel almost like, yo, it's so powder soft. It's like a weird feel. For those who are from Jamaica, they feel like you're walking on Alaska. So you know, say it's really powder soft. It's really nice. Yo, interesting. Thank you so much.
So can we go now? Oh, you're not ready yet?
Yes, I'm ready.
You're ready?
Now make them take you away. So as Jilly gone to go change and everything, I'm going to hope and pray that some of the guys that were selling the paintings, I don't know if you guys remember that video that I did where, you know, the guy was on the beach selling paintings. If I see him passing, I'm going to make sure that I get some so that you guys can have a little bit of memorabilia from here in Ghana. Okay, when she comes, then we can talk. Really are. So we're there, and a whole heap of paintings, and everybody are singing around me. Different. See the paintings them here. Come, are you with that? Wow.
She moved to the dance and the beat sound. Okay, the girl would have hold a seat, yo. I love the way you shake your body to the beat, yo. You are the dancer queen.
That's a share dancer queen. Alright, so we're gonna try and make some negotiations and see if I can overcome a couple of them painting, because some of them I like the design. So talk to them. So we're gonna negotiate the price. Jelly. Yes. Bless up.
Invite Rasta on your wedding day.
Respect.
You some lovers ready. And a pleasure which we come top a class. You don't know everything.
Alright, so we got that nice little serenade. Well, I still have to be focused because there's so many people around us. Yeah, for those who want to know, we're getting like 20 cedis, which is, you know, I mean, we never asked for the music, but they gave it to us, so it showed my vibe. Anyway, back to negotiations. So Jilly chose these three here, this, that, and this one. Huh?
She looks similar to this one, unless you prefer the color.
Yeah, but probably somebody else want. Alright, that's it for me. We're also getting this from this artist.
Yeah.
You made it?
I make for myself. That's the anchor.
Okay, what wood did you use?
It's mahogany wood.
Mahogany?
Mahogany.
Alright, you make it then. Alright, cool.
Yeah, I'm Titi Graham. They will support me. Support the blood. Support!
Right. Alright, so I'm gonna pay for the mask. Alright, cool. This one. Alright, so we're working with different artists now. Yo guys, I hope you guys support these and capture them, because whatever I'm purchasing now is going to be going towards, you know, our next trip, so I can fund it. You know how I stay already. I'm not going to ask people, say, yo, oh, give me this, give me that. I'll get some pieces from wherever I travel in the world and I'll ship them off to you, and then you guys, you know, make a donation by supporting the website. So it's going to be a vibe. Anyway, Jilly says she likes this one, so let's go with this. We'll go with that one.
Sea never dry.
Huh?
Sea never dry.
Sea never dries. Okay. Wow. His art style is different. Very different. This one is kind of nice too.
Or the lady with the watermelon on her head. The baby on her back.
This one. I like this one because it speaks to the hardships of women and the females in Ghana who work really hard. So she's probably trying to sell her watermelons, and no matter what, she not left out the youth, still carrying her child. So yeah, I'll go with this one. Okay, I don't think. Yeah, I don't think I can afford any more. Yeah, only these two. Only these two. I can't go anymore.
Support everybody.
I bought your carvings. Yeah, that's it. So this is the artist. What the I name?
Survivor.
Survivor. Survival artist. Nice. Alright, so we are working with him. We're getting 2 pieces from him. Probably next time I'm in Ghana, I'll get some. Huh?
The colors are nice, but we're broke now. That's it.
Hold on. Alright, so Chili just got this. This guy's work is really good, but we didn't have any more to spend. So no food for lazy man, which is a nice proverb. Wow.
You feel like it's a trick, man?
You feel it's a trick? No.
Take video.
Huh?
Wow. His work is so good. His work is so good. Guys, his work is so good. Like, boy, you know what? I'ma broke myself. get this painting or something. I don't know. Anyway, I hope you guys cop them from the website because this work is nice. All right. Wow. Oh, this artist's name is Yamo. Yamo has some really nice pieces. Really nice pieces. Hey, so of course them have street food. So them have what do you call this again? Kebabs. So I'm gonna try some of them really quick. What kind of kebab?
We have goat, cow, and gizzard.
Where's the lamb? Where?
Goat, cow, and gizzard. I'd like goat. Yeah, goat. How much?
One is 5.
One is 5. Can I get 2? Yeah. How is it?
Alright. Spicy.
Yeah, you don't like it.
I'm not a fan of it.
So we got some goat kebabs and I need to have the same like kind of peanut spicy thing.
Never like spicy.
Wow. I like it. Definitely something I normally like eat like 1 or 2, so it's quite spicy, but it's good.
So them all have
Yeah, man. Yeah.
So much paintings out here, bro. That one is a big one, so it's gonna be so expensive. Yeah, I like that one. But yeah, but it's like that's a lot of money.
Then which one? Which one you like?
I don't want to take any more because I can hardly afford this one.
Okay, no, so how much you can pay? How much you can pay? Let's tell you. How much you can pay?
I like that one too, but
Like the
Jesus
elephant?
Christ. Yeah. I like the elephant, but I don't have. Like guys, I'm literally, no joke, I'm broke in Ghana, because I did mention in the very first video, I can't pull from my account. Yo, long story. Tried the world limit, tried everything. So basically, it's my last couple of days here and I'm working on just fumes. I do like the little elephant one that I see here, and that one, I think he's a really good artist.
Yamo.
Yamo,
Yeah.
really good artist. He's even offering for me to do the mobile pay, but I don't have mobile pay here, so let's see, man. Yamo gave us this one. Yeah, I don't know how I got this, but yo, respect Yamo. When you guys come to Ghana, check out Yamo's work, because if I'm to be honest, if I could have bought those first, I'd have gotten more of Yamo's work. I actually like it. Every artist speaks to people differently, speaks to everybody differently, and his artwork, his art style, I really like. Guys, I'm so broke right now. I don't know if I can even pay for drinks.
Stephen broke like buckle.
Yo, guys, I don't even know. So I'm guessing this is a pay for what you use, I'm hoping, because yeah.
You think so? I don't think so, sir.
Yeah, snap, I hope that. Wow. Guys, please purchase these paintings from I know I already have purchasers for some of them already, because people did tell me once I get them, take pictures and they will order them before they even go on the website. So I'm gonna do Guys, I am so broke in Ghana.
Huh? Put them here.
Yeah, one.
What's the name of this game?
Owaru.
Owaru.
Go. Dig it
Pick up.
Yeah, go.
Put again.
Yeah, put. Go. No. Yeah.
Put again.
Yeah, this is the game. I want to
Alright, and that is the end of the Ghana series. The next video I will be posting is, like I did mention, I will talk about the 10 foods that you should try in Ghana. And if you've been watching the Ghana series, most of the foods I've been saying, oh, this is my favorite. Of course, not everything could have been my favorite. So I'll do the ranking and tell you guys exactly what I thought about each and every dish in a little bit more detail. Now, I know a lot of you guys love when I do content back in Jamaica or when I travel, and these things are pretty expensive. The trip out to Ghana was super expensive, especially when you're paying for 2 people for 2 whole months, food, entertainment, boarding. But at the end of the day, it is all worth it. Now, on the website, I have put a couple products. This is a nice little way for myself to recoup some of the expenses that I have put into the content. You guys know I never make cheap content for you guys. I try to give you guys rich content, whether it is how much it costs to make the content or just in the way that it is done. Now, each and every item that's on the website, they are well thought out. From the peanut, because I had a really good experience trying the kelewele with the peanuts on the very first video out there in Jamestown. The paintings, as you guys might have seen in this video, I really understand what they as creatives go through. Sometimes you make content and not everyone receives it as well. So, you know, we gave them some support with that. And then you guys have the opportunity to have a piece of Ghana, because let's face it, not everyone will be able to go to Ghana. So you can have a nice little painting to hang up on the wall or carving, whatever it is that you so choose. And then one of my favorite products on the website is the chocolate. To be frank, on a given year, I probably might eat 2 bars of chocolate. In Ghana, I'm certain I went over 10. Because this chocolate, when I had it for the very first time, and I tell you, they say in Ghana the chocolate is very good. Tried it the very first time, I was a little bit skeptic. It had a different type of taste, but it was really, really, really good. I hope you guys would appreciate it as well as much as I did. And the last thing, yeah, I got some coffee on the website as well. You guys know in Jamaica, Blue Mountain is very popular, but we went to the Volta region, so we got some coffee from the Volta Mountains. And yeah, that's gonna wrap up this video. Guys, support the website. I would definitely appreciate it. You guys know it's going back into some more awesome content. We're reaching things, love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember to keep the link. Oh, before I forget, I did go out to Afrikiko to a salsa night in Ghana. That was super interesting and what I really appreciated. I met a couple Ghanaians that did watch the content and they were so appreciative. Anyway, thanks again, Ghana. We love you.